Hi guys, I'm Larry Day from Motor Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2019 KUBOTA B2650 package. So this package is going to be sold tractor loader, and it comes with a 2021 B2782B snowblower system, front mount fast hitch snowblower. We've already done a video prior. We had the blower hooked up to this tractor. We just now got time to get the tractor serviced and cleaned up and ready to be sold. This tractor is absolutely faultless tractor. There's 204 hours on it. The gentleman did purchase this to do a bunch of work around his home. We just built and he finished up what he was doing. We've already sold, got a bunch of three-point attachments for this tractor. There is a light new Land Pride grapple rake. It is available for sale also. This tractor does have a Land Pride third function kit, so that you can run front auxiliary hydraulics on this tractor. But this is a light new tractor, very, very clean. Tractor was purchased on 5/1 of 2019. Does have the balance of the Powertrain warranty that's transferred over to the new owner until 5/1 of 2025. Snowblower again, which we'll take you up here and show you in a second, is like new. It was used one or two times. Beautiful condition. It's a $59, almost $6,200 blower right now. We're going to start here underneath the engine compartment. We're going to take you completely around this tractor. Under the hood, this is going to be powered by a Kubota 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs great. I do believe these are a D1305 3-cylinder diesel engine. So largest B-series tractor you are going to purchase, yes, D1305. Biggest B-series tractor you will purchase before you go to admissions. So the LX2610 has replaced this now, but this has no emissions, or non-emissions tractor. We've done a complete and full service on this tractor. All filters and oils have been changed with OEM Kubota filters, and the tractor is 100% ready to go to work. Now, I couldn't have that happen if I wanted to. Never fails. Hood's in beautiful shape. It is straight, clean. There's no scratches, dings, dents. Front grill bar is in good shape. Up front here, you're going to see right here is your auxiliary hydraulic kit already plumbed to the front. Standard 2-pin stimulator quick catch. He's running the R4 tire package. And you'll see all the little tips are still on the sides of the tires. All the little rubber pieces are in between the tire treads. Factory top link is here and complete. 3-point has not been used very much at all. 540 PTO, drawbars with it, PTO covers on it. Does have a Tuff top, nice little roof on it. Is adjustable, folding roll bar. Sheet metal again is absolutely beautiful. Coming into the tractor, you're going to have low, medium, and high ranges. On this side, you are going to have your full drive in and out. You're also going to have up and down for your 3-point. Seat's beautiful, has a very nice armrest package. In the dash here, you're going to see 204 hours. Throttle pedal forward and reverse, you got cruise control. Again, up here is going to be the Land Pride kit for the auxiliary hydraulics. Keep in mind, a 2650 is going to have a tilt steering wheel. Real quick up front here, fast hitch is here and 100% complete. All the shafts are there. Everything is 100% ready to put under this tractor. We've left the mounting saddle bracket under the tractor for the new owner so that if you want to put that blower on, you can, and you're 100% ready to go. You'll literally just hook up 2 hoses to the hydraulic rotation, 2 hoses to the lift for your fast hitch, and you're ready to go. And you can see like new blower. And the $1 million question will be, hey, when you separate the blower, no scrub on the one. We're going to sell this as a package and set up and ready to go to work. I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run around inside the building here, show you what it's supposed to do. And it's pouring rain today, so bear with us. We'll be making some content in this building that we just finished in the times that the weather's not finished. see everything is, unit runs, works 100%. Apologize for being in the building today, but again, it's just pouring rain here. Today is January 3rd, it's the new year, so kind of getting back into the groove of things. It's nice to pick 3-point hitch on it. Well, fellas, here we can see well, if you have any questions, 814-658-3066, you're more than welcome to come check out what we have to offer here. This year we're going to do some new things, some exciting things we're going to kind of get into doing. A lot of people follow us on here. We've got some other things in the works we're going to try to accomplish this year, so stay tuned, check out what we're up to. But if you're looking for a nice 2019 B2650, this thing is under full factory power warranty, or I apologize, factory powertrain warranty until 5/1 of 2025. And it has an almost brand new snowblower with it, ready to go to work. If you have the books and manuals for it, so if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.